Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I will show you how we can capture screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so in my case it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that is the case, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with the pop-up with scroll screenshot and also share option. And after a moment it does disappear. Once it disappears, you can find your screenshots in your Photos application. Let me just go back. So you want to navigate to Library, and in here you'll find a screenshot album, and you can just click on it, and here you'll find your screenshots along with also screen recordings, which allows you to quickly and easily find your screenshots and screen recordings down the line once you captured multiple different ones. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.